Michael Cohen's $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels is raising new legal questions for him and the Trump campaign. Paula Reid is also at the White House. Paula, so explain this, because Stormy Daniels calls it hush money. But why would the FEC care about it? Why could it become something that's a legal matter?
Well, the big question is whether or not this had anything to do with the election. This was an affair that had occurred about a decade prior, but just 11 days before the election, she receives this $130,000 payment. So the question for federal investigators would be, was this money to keep her from talking during the election? And if it was, you have possibly two legal problems. One is that this amount would have far exceeded the individual contribution limit for Mr. Cohen. And the other issue is that we don't really know exactly where this money came from, which could potentially violate the disclosure requirements under federal law.
Now, Paula, why would the special counsel, Robert Mueller, be interested in this?
Well, it's not clear so far that he is. It's possible. We know from sources that he is looking into how the campaign was financed. We also know that he has asked witnesses about Mr. Cohen. He's also asked for documents related to some events that he was involved in. But you have to go back to the specific mandate that Mueller was given, and that was to investigate the Russian government's interference in the 2016 campaign. So it's very hard to see how this would fit into that. But if he came in across any evidence of criminal wrongdoing, he could certainly give that to the Justice Department to handle on their own.
All right, Paula, thank you so much.